I'm very happy to be here because this is definitely one of my, or the favorite event. You guys do an absolute outstanding job in organizing it.
As maintenance and asset management people, we make stuff work on an industrial scale.
We revel in being the lifeblood that keeps economies going. We may not be the most glamorised, but we have no doubt of how important we are in making this whole thing work.
That's why we don't just talk condition monitoring, equipment reliability, or root causes.
We care about the world too. We care about decarbonisation.
We care about the future of our workforce. And we care about the current health and well-being of our people.
Asset management tamely describes the risky work we do,
where a single misstep can cost millions.
Most of what we know and have learnt is experienced on the job.
You can't read this, you can't find it in a university or download the equipment manual.
We don't know everything, but what we do know, specific to our expertise, is worth more than gold.
A few things excite us more than making stuff do more than it was ever designed to do.
Faster, safer, longer, differently, and more efficiently is our love language. And we always want to learn more, connect more with like-minded people, and be inspired to do more.
We are reliability heroes.
We are reliability heroes.